Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert data for your product management on the AgilePoint platform. Begin with, I need to log in and you can see the home page. The navigation bar is at the left hand side. You can click on the home page, dashboard, and product management. Since we are showing you how to manage your data, so click on the product management. As you scroll down, you will see various products list. So now let's get started. First, if you want to change your interface language, click User Profile. At this page, you can scroll down, you can find the language you want, and then save it. Now we're back to product management. Before you're building your new products, you can see there are 3 steps for your product informations, material informations, and coefficients matchings. And you can see the footprint values at the right bottom side. We will talk later. So before we insert the data, we have to build product information first. Now we have to build the product's form by their product's number, product's name, quality, unit, and so on. Since we have completed the first step, which is the product information, next we will put in the material information. In this area, you can see the parent name, which means some materials are attached to the material. For example, we build TGIC material first, and then put in the details. Click Save button. Now we want to attach this material to TGIC, so we have to put TGIC in the parent name. So click the TGICs and you can scroll down, click Add button, and you can see the parent's name shows TGIC. So now these new materials will attach to TGICs and finish the rest of the details. And then click Save button. So now you can see this new material was attached to TGIC. Now let's practice again. Click the TGICs as a parent name's material, and we can scroll down, click Add buttons. That means the TGICs is the parent name. And we can add a new material. And then click Save. So if you want to create a new material without the parent name, you can click the Clear button. And then insert the new data material. And then save it. Now you can see the new material was not attached to the TGIC's folder. Let's build the rest of the material information. Furthermore, you can edit that information whenever you want to correct it and save it. Since we have done the second step for material information, we will make the LCA footprint dataset coefficients matching with each material information. So at the first step, you can click the TGIC's material for an example. When we scroll down, edit button, and click coefficients matching. It will pop up a screen to let you search the specific material, and you can choose your matching information and then edit. As you can see, this coefficients matching data information has inserted, including the product name, process name, and regions, and so on about the coefficients matching data. And remember to save it. Again, choose the data, scroll down, click edit button, and then choose coefficients matching button. Search your coefficients matching data and choose the data you want. Check the information, remember to save it. And the other data do the same way. After completing data information from step 1 to step 3, we need to export the report. And we click export. We will get an Excel form, and it will show the data that we just input. We need to upload this report to the eFootprint platform to build a module. Log into the home page, and we can see the green add button on the right side. And here is the place that we have to create our model. And if you want to change the languages, click here and you can select English. So now we need to upload this report to the eFootprint platform to build a new model. Click Add New Model. And there are 3 approaches to building the model, like manual modeling, import data modeling, use template modeling. And because we already have exported the report, so we choose the import data modeling. And import data, click next, and we set the year and choose the product and the supply chain and confirm. So now here we can see we already built a new model, and let's take a look. At the left hand side, you can see here are tree structures of our details of the data information. We can also include upstream procedures data here. We can select the data set, then locate the specific upstream data to enhance the LCA report's comprehensiveness. After creating the whole data, we can export this file right here by clicking the LCA results. And then we will see the LCA reports PDF from the eFootprint platform. Now we move on to the final step. Recording the record report from various manufacturers. We return to the product management page of the AgilePoint platform, locate the data we've created, and click the Write More button. This step is only accessible to administrators. Others will not be able to see this data. So first, we need to upload the LCA report. We can find the product name and the GWP value on the report, then put it in. So we can fill our coefficient name, the quantities, and the GWP values in these blocks. And then you will automatically calculate your values. And then click Save. Another material footprint value does the same thing. We choose the material, find the coefficient name, quantity, and GWP value, and remember to save. Finally, we complete the whole data structure and build the data module. We can click the submit button to save the footprint data. So this is the process of how to build the data and material information from two platforms.